everyone, Bethany here with Atlantic Flag and Pole. It may be freezing up here in upstate New York, but we are getting ready to dish out some of our hottest savings yet. That's right, we are jumping in on all of the holiday shopping fun, and starting on Black Friday, we will be offering one of our biggest sales yet. We are going to be giving you $70 off your choice of a Phoenix Telescoping Flagpole kit. That applies to all of our size and color options, so you get to choose. If you've been eyeing our Phoenix Telescoping Flagpole kit and have been waiting for the right time to buy, or are looking for a second flagpole, or maybe you want to gift one to somebody, now is a great time to buy. Starting on Black Friday, go to atlanticflagpole.com to take advantage of your savings, and we'll be offering a discount code that gives you $70 off your choice of a Phoenix Flagpole kit. If you already have a Phoenix Flagpole kit but have been eyeing one of our best-selling accessories, maybe a solar light for the top, maybe an eagle topper or a flash collar, one of our mounting options, or many of our flags that we have to offer, we will be giving 15% off store-wide for all accessories. That does exclude flagpoles since we have a separate special for flagpoles, but we are going to be giving you 15% off your entire cart full of accessories. So now is the time to buy, now is the time to get in those last-minute gift ideas, and we do hope that you join in on the fun, help spread the news, let people know that they can get some great savings starting Black Friday weekend. And you know what? Just a quick little blurb from me to you. I may be in sales, but I highly recommend that you wait until Black Friday to start your shopping. Why? Because Thanksgiving is not about shopping, although I love shopping. Thanksgiving is about taking a step back and really being grateful for the many blessings we have. Family, neighbors, friendships, the many blessings we have as being American citizens. So the most patriotic thing you can do this holiday season is to take a step back and really consider your blessings. Consider the many people have gone before you and paved the way for the blessings that we experience right now as American citizens. And then after you've stuffed yourself with turkey and considered your many blessings, get out there and shop some of our best savings yet. And as always, we thank you so much for supporting a small American family business.